Welcome to Stock Motion, the stock market educational YouTube channel. Today we're going to take a very quick look at a penny stock that's been flying the last few days and has huge long-term potential, American Battery Metals Corp., ticker symbol ABML. Please remember all uploaded content is strictly for educational purposes only and is only my opinion. Guys, while you're here, please hit them like and subscribe buttons and help us grow this channel so we can continue to bring content your way. Without further ado, let's get into it. American Battery Metals Corporation engages in the exploration, mining, extraction, and recycling of battery metals. It owns 647 placer mining claims on approximately 12,940 acres in the Western Nevada Basin, situated in Railroad Valley in Nye County, Nevada, and a 120-acre parcel of private property with water rights in the town of Currant, NV, near Railroad Valley. The company was formerly known as Oroplata Resources, Inc. and changed its name to American Battery Metals Corporation in May 2019. American Battery Metals Corporation was founded in 2011 and is based in Incline Village, Nevada. Over the past 3 months, ABTC has achieved 3 critical milestones that enable the company to move ahead in permitting, constructing, and commissioning its pilot lithium-ion battery recycling plant in Fernley, Nevada. Purchased the pilot factory land. ABTC purchased 12.44 acres of undeveloped land located at 345 Winston Lane, Fernley, Leon County, Nevada. ABTC will be constructing 5 separate building areas on this property to create a pilot plant campus that includes production process areas, feedstock sorting area, analytical laboratory spaces and process development bays, a storage warehouse, and general office space. Secured water rights. ABTC has secured multiple water allocations from the Fernley Area Basin 76, Leon, Washoe, Story, and Churchill counties of Nevada's West Central Region, Hydrographic Region 5. By securing these water rights, ABTC ensures it can operate its pilot facility at full throughput with adequate water capacity for many years to come. Hired design, build construction firm. After a rigorous national search, ABTC has selected Miles Construction as the design-build contractor for its Fernley pilot plant campus. The Miles team of talented architects, mechanical, electrical and process engineers, HVAC system designers, fire protection engineers, and construction contractors are currently working with the ABTC team through construction design and the permitting process with the City of Fernley, City, and the Nevada Department of Environmental Protection, NDEP. ABTC is finalizing its permitting processes with the city and NDEP and will announce updated permitting and construction timelines in early 2021. ABTC is making great strides to construct our pilot lithium-ion battery recycling facility in Fernley, Nevada as quickly as possible. We are grateful for Nevada's support to do so. At full capacity, our pilot facility will recycle 20,000 metric tons of feedstock a year to recover critical and strategic materials needed to manufacture new EV and consumer electronic batteries, and to ensure these lithium-ion batteries do not end up in the landfill as waste, said CEO Doug Cole. ABTC is aggressively building a no-waste, economical and environmentally sustainable system to recycle waste and end-of-life lithium-ion batteries from consumer electronics, electric vehicles, and energy storage applications. Such efforts offer the opportunity to positively impact multiple battery metal supply streams, including lithium, nickel, vanadium, manganese, and the ever-volatile cobalt supply chains. ABTC is committed to our larger holistic plan for cleaner, more environmentally friendly energy. Contents removed using automated 3-hour process of ingesting materials and removing contents as quickly as possible to minimize chances of pollution. Using a process backed by trade secrets, chemicals used are kept in a closed system, cleaned, filtered and reused. Any water discharge is treated to a cleaner than potable standard. Individual metals are separated and purified into battery-grade components. High-grade metals including lithium, cobalt, nickel, aluminum, copper, and graphite are provided to OEMs and manufacturers. I personally hold shares in this company and will continue to average up my position as I have great confidence in this stock and its long-term potential. As the EV market grows and more batteries are needed, this company will be able to supply the much-needed metals for the battery production. Please remember, I am not a financial advisor and you are responsible for your own trades. Please do your own due diligence before investing any money in the stock market. As always, if you liked the video, please help us grow this channel by hitting the like button and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and take care.